Hi Pisces, this is your next 7 days reading starting from the 23rd to the 30th of April. I'm going to look at your energies in this time period and see what's coming to you. The cards are in front of me. I have taken them out and I have tried to reach a conclusion with each card with clarification. And I have also looked at separate cards for your career, money, job, finance, your relationships, and also your health. So first of all, we will look at the general energies for the collective of Pisces, Sun, Moon, and Rising. So what's coming to you in this time period in your environment is the Knight of Wands. This is coming or going energy. This is shifting energy. This is about moving towards things with great determination, and the eye is on the prize. So basically you are ambitious in this time period and you are moving towards it. This could be a passion project, this could be a place, this could be a shift in your environment physically. So there could be shifting of house, shifting of places, countries. This could be movement from one place to the other. It could be change of offices, change of organization. This could be change in relationship, moving towards a new level, new place, new person, new partner. So there are different angles for different Pisces. So there is a change, the greater energy is there is a change happening and movement towards a prized goal, and you are moving forward with great passion. So there will be in this time period choices which have to be made. It could be regarding smaller issues of home, house choice. It could be car choice, it could be a place choice. Whatever it is, you have to think deeply about this situation. In terms of your love, this could be change in partnership, thinking about a partnership and moving towards it. So with the Page of Pentacles, there is a promise in this new opportunity. There will be a possibility of talking, there is a possibility of a deep choice towards harmony, good thinking, good good kind of, like, what do you say, it is a very harmonizing kind of partnership in this time period. Some of you are experiencing good partnerships with Leo, Gemini, with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or any fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So there is going to be a situation where good thinking will work out, and with Judgment and the Ace of Wands clarifying this means that new idea, new motivation, new course, new skill, new things are going to be on your mind, and it's a kind of a rebirth because you are going to have these two cards as clarification. So the Judgment means that you are going to pick yourself up from the a routine, or you could be picking up yourself from a lower energy to a higher energy. It is about more positive attitude. This is about rebirth, renewal in relationships, or in your physical environment, or in your ambition, in your mental environment. And with the Ace of Wands, this means a newfound idea, newfound motivation, rebirth, life force coming back. So this is a very, very beautiful energy. With the Lovers, you are going to make the correct choices, but it will be faced with, you will be faced with obstacles. It will not be easy. So to reach from a level of non-conformity to conformity will happen with your partner, with people, whoever is around you, close to you. Then what is happening is, in this week there is some kind of illusion and embracing the new. So the same thing is the extension in this week, that There will be some things which are hidden, some things you will get to know which are new, some things are unclear, but you are going to make your path towards one by one. You are going to make your path towards a great foundation in terms of your ambition. That is what I am seeing. So quality work will be done, or appraisal of the work that you are doing and the quality of how good is your work, or how good in how in how mm, uh, better way you can do things. You will be trying to reach that stage. You will be skillful, you will be doing your work hard, you will be working on relationships. Any illusion, anything that is unknown, you are going to defeat that illusory energy with your physical hard work. That is what I am seeing. So whether it is your education, whether it is your job, whether it is your relationship, whether it is just a household chore, you are going to work hard on that. So any kind of illusion, uncertainty will be defeated by embracing the new vigor that is coming inside of you, and you are working on situations, on things one by one. So this is connected to your expansion with the Two of Wands. This is about connecting to an outside world, connecting to faraway people, connecting to situations that are unfamiliar with you. So you are going to take risks in this time period. However, with the Hierophant, you will be also very stable. So anything learned in the past is coming in handy at this time. Also, you will be advised by people in this time period. So mentors will be coming in, gurus will be coming in, teachers will be coming in, and also big organizations, big government institutions will be visited by you. So there is going to be the Hierophant energy. This could be also community behind you, this could be family behind you. So you are going to be supported by the knowledge present in the environment, and that is going to help you in making correct choices, judgment, and embracing the new. So in terms of your job, there is an old situation definitely ending. With the Death card, something has finished. It was filled with difficulties or obstacles, or it is saying that this ending is difficult. You have moved, or you will be moving. You want to move to a better place, you want to move to a from a sad place to a better place. Some of you are getting options in this time period. So if you are not liking your job, there could be a possibility that you would like to take a flight, move to a new place, but it does not happen so fast. But in this time period, with the Wheel of Fortune and the Judgment, there is going to be a fated chance that you could be taking, and a realistic opportunity could be coming in terms of your work, of a change. So this could be a fated transfer, this could be an opportunity coming after a long work on that, or a deal is coming after you have done a lot of work. So there is going to be options opening up, breakthroughs coming in. However, there will be little obstacles on your path, and an old situation ending to give you this new chance, and lucky chances are going to come in, and you have to make correct judgments in this time period. In terms of your relationship, what I am seeing is there is a change as well, with the Wheel of Fortune coming here as well, with the Tower. So there can be a taking away or stripping away of illusions, stripping away of false edifices that were there in a relationship. Something that was made upon false grounds will be over for you. So anyone who has a fake lover, anyone who were in situationships where there was no real relationship, but you have been giving a lot. That is going to change. It is going to be stripped away. There is going to be a shocking, surprising revelation. You will be going through some kind of worry, tension, but maybe on a situation that you have worked upon, and maybe on a situation that you have already seen some sadness in. So you will be getting out of sorrow, or a sad or a sorrowful energy is getting over, anxious energy is getting over with one strike, that is the tower and the wheel of fortune. So something will be ending or has ended. You could be sorry about it, you could be feeling jolted, or you could be surprised, but it is changing. But with that, a good news is coming with the Page of Wands, with the Four of Wands. This could be about a relationship that can work out for you, that can give you happy partnership, that can give you happy home. So some good news will come, but you will also be ridden with anxiety. So something which made you anxious will be over. Now a new situation could be coming in. Maybe it is just a transition period for you, and a great transformation is happening in your life. There are some things which are still not tied totally, that is going to be tied and will be ended, and your eye is on the prize. You are moving towards it. It is in your environment with the Knight of Wands. So in terms of your health, what is happening is you are definitely going to get over bad situations in health. You are going to get over addictions. You are going to get over greed. You are going to get over something that was chronic. There is going to be struggle in it, but you will be on top of that with your courage, patience, and your structure coming back in your health regimen. So some of you will be doing tough work on your body or on your mind, and it is coming in for you this week. So ultimately, what you are getting as your outcome is the Ace of Cups. So the Ace of Cups is cure. Ace of Cups is treatment. Ace of Cups is feeling of self-worth, feeling joy, happiness, new sensations which are pure, innocent. This can be, new birthing. This can be a new situation coming up for you, a new beginning for you. So what's clarifying this is that you are coming out of a very empty, or a situation that was full of betrayals, or it was filled with difficulties. There was a Five of Swords, but now you will be moving with the Ace of Cups. You will be taking yourself out of difficult or a bad circumstance. Departure is predicted here. Shifting is predicted here. Movement away from sadness, sorrow, or problems is predicted towards Ten of Cups. This is a dream come true happening for you. Some of you finding your dream house, some of you finding your dream job, some of you finding your dream lover. Some of you getting married, some of you getting your a delivery or a birth of a baby. So it is going to be very, very happy for you. There is going to be vacation, there is going to be some downtime, there is going to be happiness for you, Pisces. So very, very good energy coming to you. So the keeper is telling me that something related to the main male, that is a partner, something related to your occupation is happening at this time. A mature woman could be an influence around you. There could be a lot of discussion with family people, family choices, decisions that will be made in unison with family members. There is going to be high honor, respect coming to you, many of you in this time period. There could be also false people around you, or you need to see what is illusory in your environment. It could be you pretending, and then you deciding to change or change your atmosphere, change your behavior. It could be anything, but mostly it is about people who could be false around you and you have decided to leave them behind. So there is going to be a shift in your gears, switch in your gears. There could be fast movement, there could be journeys, there could be new environment coming, and new risks could be taken. So there will be fuel and fire, there could be recognition, joy, happiness coming to you in this time period. So angels are saying no more complaining for you. There is no more requirement of a complaint. Complaints are affirmations of victimhood, which is never true spiritually. Take back your God given power by affirming that you have an abundance of choices and freedom. With your increased confidence and assertiveness, watch these positive affirmations blossom into reality. So, very, very good energies coming for you, Pisces. I am happy with this reading. Let me know how you liked it, how much you liked it, and if you want to communicate with me, talk to me through the comment box. And people who want to have a personal rapport or a personal reach out towards me, you can write to me through the email ID in the description box just below this video. And keep watching this space. I'll be bringing more readings for you in this week, because the month of May is coming, and I need to do your monthly readings soon. Bye bye.